Very good morning, children. Welcome to SBSC Learning Class. This is your social subject teacher, Firoz Khan sir from Srivijaya Central High School. Today we are in the new look, that is my presentation book about the lesson climate of India. Okay, children, let's begin our topic, which is to be covered today. Yes, the topics to be covered today, they are: first we will come late winter season, later summer season, again pre-monsoon, or it is also known as bursting monsoon, and last we will complete the mango showers. Okay, children, so let's start with our winter season. So here is the winter season. So here are some pictures about the winter season. You can see now presently we are enjoying the climate also, the winter season, experiencing much cool, and many areas it's getting somewhat snowfalls. Okay, and at the early time we cannot see outer parts in the roadside, all full of fog, the vehicles cannot see. So much cool weather we are experiencing now, is it? Yes. So let us study what is the winter season in our India and how does it affect to the human beings. Or let's begin. So the first point, winter season in India starts from mid-November to February. So winter season in India starts from mid-November to February. So you know this is the month of December, and so again we have the 2 more months we should enjoy the winter season. Yes, and January is usually the coldest month in India, because it was during this time the temperature goes very low. In some areas it is nearly 20 degrees Celsius or 10 degrees Celsius also. So there is reason January is coldest month in India overall average temperature if you take. Okay, yes. Now the temperature during winter drops below 10 degrees Celsius in several parts of the country. So I already said that during the time of January month, the temperature during winter drops. Drops means it decreasing. It reaches mainly below 10 degrees Celsius in several parts of the country. For example, in Arunachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir, you can find here. So just look, children, the 10 degrees Celsius. This is the region of the Arunachal Pradesh. Yes. So here you can find some of the area 10 degree and some 50 degrees Celsius, and here you can find Jammu and Kashmir. So this region also 10 degrees Celsius. Again, if you observe, so this line, okay, so this map also can ask for map reading. So question can come, name the states which gets 10 degrees Celsius during the winter season. So you can write Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, and this is Uttarakhand. And if you see Uttar Pradesh light, so you can avoid, no problem. And this is a Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, and also when it comes to reach so 10 degrees Celsius, that's, and the question can come 15 degrees Celsius. So you can write this is Rajasthan you can find them, and Uttar Pradesh you can get it. Yes, 15 degrees Celsius, as well as Arunachal Pradesh are there, and here you can find Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. So these are the states also you can find here. Okay, and as well as question can come. Okay, so that you can understand by the next point. Okay, listen. North India experience more cold than the South India. So comparing to the South India, the North India gets more cool. What is the reason for behind that? Yes, we know that due to the coastal area temperature, it's affected with the water and land relationship, or we call as a land and water relationship. So you can find here Arabian Sea, and here Bay of Bengal, and here Indian Ocean. So due to these three ocean, due to the land and water relationship, already before we studied climatic control, we understood that not much hot in summer, not much cold in winter. Here you can observe also, even during this cool climate in some of the areas 10 degrees Celsius, very low temperature happening also in South India region 20 degrees Celsius, and you can find it during the area of the Chennai is 25 degrees Celsius. So they're not much feeling more cool. So not the minimum temperature, otherwise here the cool 25 degrees Celsius. 25 degrees Celsius is not much cool. So why they are enjoying this type of climate? Due to the presence of the ocean. that we call the land and water relationship. Yes or not? So about 20 degrees Celsius also occurring in the coastal regions. So that's the reason here 25 degrees Celsius, and the Goa and Maharashtra lighter region also you can find 25 degrees Celsius. Did you understand, children? Yes. So we call as a moderate climate. Coastal regions are enjoying well. Yes. So during winter, the weather is generally pleasant with a clear sky. So remember the characteristics of the winter season, how it will be generally pleasant with a clear sky. So here you can find how does it looks, the clear sky and very good sunshine. You can find this clear sky. Now also you just look, because now it's a winter season, early morning just observe, same as this you can find in our surroundings. If you look at the sky, yes or no, during morning time, just 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, once observe, you can find this one. And low humidity, you know the word humidity means the amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere. So look in them here, atmosphere and water vapor are less. Okay, water vapor are less in the atmosphere. That's we call as a low humidity. If water vapor is more, the clouds will be cover much areas. So that's the reason we call the clear sky low humidity. And cool breeze. So now we get the breeze means we know the gentle air makes us much feel. Okay, so this is just given as picture as a cool breeze. Okay, so this we can understand during the characteristics of the winter season, that is the clear sky, low humidity and cool breeze. Yes children? Okay, very good. So again, during this time, the cyclone depression coming from the Mediterranean Sea. So one of the important topic I am going to discuss now with you. The cyclone depression coming from the Mediterranean Sea called western disturbances cause low to moderate rainfall over North India. Okay, remember, so from where it is comes the Mediterranean Sea, we call as a western disturbance. So why it is called as a western disturbance? Because it is coming from the western. You know, here this is Africa, this is Africa continent, okay, and this is Europe, and here you can find that this is the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, so here you can find this is the Mediterranean Sea. Yes, from this Mediterranean Sea, due to the high pressure occur, from this high pressure we know that the air move from the high pressure areas to low pressure. So during this time in our India experiencing low pressure area, low pressure. Okay, so from this high pressure wind is rising and moves towards the low pressure area, moves towards the low pressure area. Okay, so when it reaches the low pressure area, what happens? The water vapor changes into water and starts to get rainfall. Moderate rainfall will give in the northern, especially in the northern India. So that is we called western disturbance, because it is coming from the western region. It is one type of the we can call as a westerlies wind. Okay, so this westerlies only we know western disturbances is coming from the western region, mainly from the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, gives moderate rainfall in the northern India. Okay, understood children? So now we can observe that this rainfall a boon to wheat crops which is generally cultivated in the Rabi season. We know Rabi season is mostly we call as a winter crop, so we call a Rabi season. So the wheat is the main important Rabi crop, so we call it wheat. Okay, we have two type of season mainly. One is the Kharif, another one is the Rabi. Okay, and Rabi is mainly occurring during the winter crops, and this is the summer crops. Okay, so this two, just to remember, two type of main seasons. And this is one of the great example we can get about the rice. Rice is the main important things for a Kharif, and the wheat is important things for the Rabi crops. And again we have the crops Zaid and main these two things I'm just taken for you. Okay, yes, now listen. Some amount of rainfall occurs on the Coromandel coast of Tamil Nadu. So we know that in the northern India rainfall occur due to the western disturbance. So question can ask during winter season the rainfall occur in the northern India due to which reason? Okay, so we can write due to the western disturbance is coming from the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, at the same time can ask during winter season the Coromandel coast also experiencing moderate rainfall due to which reason? Okay, so that now we are going to discuss. Once observe it. Okay, so once observe here in our the Tamil Nadu region we called as a Coromandel coast. Remember, Coromandel coast region of the Tamil Nadu. Okay, So already we have complete the Coromandel Coast, and this is the Sircar Coast. In the first lesson we are studying, we remember. Okay, and this is the Utkal Coast. So this is the Coromandel Coast. So in the Tamil Nadu region gets rainfall during the winter season. How does it get rainfall? Once observe it, children. Listen. So Tamil Nadu from the blow of dry northeast trade wind. So before in the climatic control topic, and also when I explained the latitude factor, I explained about the dry northeast trade wind. Our India lies in the dry northeastern trade wind as it pick up moisture from the Bay of Bengal. So let's look at how does it occur once you observe this map. So here is we can take over. This is the region of the Tropic of Cancer, not exact, just taken. Okay, Tropic of Cancer. So on due to this region, here observe high pressure. That's we call as a subtropical high pressure belt. Subtropical high pressure belt. So the wind moves from the high pressure to low pressure. So while it moves downward, when it crosses the Bay of Bengal, so we know this is the region of the Bay of Bengal, when it pick up some moisture and reaches to the Coromandel Coast, and into the Coromandel Coast. And due to recent we observe, we hear news that the Coromandel Coast, always we can say in Chennai, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, there is getting much cyclone depressions, as well as heavy rainfall, thunderstorm. So this all observed due to this wind causes. Okay, when we study this wind also, we can call as a northeast monsoon. We call as a northeast monsoon. When we study the monsoon, that time we can understand about this. Just to remember, northeast monsoon, or we call as a retreating monsoon or outset monsoon. So no need to worry. Next topic when we study, you can understand about this monsoon seasons about. Okay, so just to remember here, just in winter season also we get to rainfall. So now also winter. Recently, just in the last month only, we hear the news about the much amount of rainfall occurring in the Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha region, and it making much destruction. Cyclonic depression all occur. Yes, we understood that. Okay, so the Coromandel Coast gets rainfall due to the presence of the dry northeast trade winds. Okay, children, I hope you understood well. Okay, so here is the end of the winter season. So winter season in India starts from mid-November to February. So I hope you are getting this point. Easy to write, easy to understand. And January is usually the coldest month in India. Temperature during winter drops below 10 degrees Celsius in 7 parts of the country. Example, Arunachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, etc. North India experience more cold than the South India. And coastal areas enjoy moderate climate and temperature. So coastal areas taken, mainly we can understand that is the South India. But South India, so all parts, not that the reason specially mentioned as a coastal areas. Got it, children? If you mention the South India, we know the South India, every part should be observed. So that the reason specially mentioned as the coastal areas enjoy moderate climate. Temperature remains well above 20 degrees Celsius due to the above facts, land and water relationship. Okay, so during winter the weather is generally pleasant with a clear sky, low humidity and breeze. This is the characteristics of the winter season in our India. And one of the important topical is this one, cyclone depression coming from the Mediterranean Sea is called western disturbance, cause low to moderate rainfall over northern India. And this rainfall is boon to wheat crops, which is generally cultivated in Rabi season. Yes. And some amount of rainfall occurs on the Coromandel Coast of Tamil Nadu from the blow of dry northeast trade wind as it pick up moisture from Bay of Bengal. So this is the topics related to the winter season. Same as this point, if you write also, you will get the good marks. So just remember about the winter season. Okay, children. So let's start about the next season, that is summer season. Okay. Yes. Here is your summer season. Yes, summer. So just imagine, when we summer start, now it's not started. When the March May month we are experiencing much hot, especially in our school we cannot sit at a classroom, very hot. Yes, and we cannot travel in the bus outside. And the people, agriculture farmers, they are facing a lot of problem with the summer season, lack of rainfall, lack of water, is getting much thirsty. So we know we are highly experienced with the heavy summer, especially in our Telangana regions. Yes. Okay, let's look at the summer season. What are the important characteristics of summer in India? Okay, children, let's begin. Yes, the summer season in India starts from March to May. So the months all just remember very important. Already we have studied winter. It starts from the mid-November to February, and this is March to May. Okay, and May is usually the hottest month in India. So coldest month in India is January, and hottest month in India is May. Remember, the temperature during summer increases as we move from south to north of India. So same as over the winter season. Winter season also northern region gets much cool than the southern India. Same as here. Summer also the northern India get much hotter than the southern India. That's the reason here said summer increases as we move from south to north of India. In April, the average temperature rises. It's around 37 degrees Celsius by midnight. Okay, so remember in April month it reaches to 37 degrees Celsius, slowly rising, and by mid-May the temperature during the day may touch 41 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius in many parts of the country, especially in the northwest plains and central India. So here you can find the northwest plain. So this is a 30 degrees Celsius regions are moving. Here also you can understand, and 20 degrees Celsius here one you can find it 25. Here encircled 20 degrees Celsius. So question if comes, you remember that region may be hill stations are present. Due to the presence of the hill stations, not much hot during summer in these regions. So that also one should remember. Okay, children. So because we know altitude, due to the fact of the altitude, when height increase, the temperature decrease. So due to that factor, in hill regions do not get much hotter during summer. So this encircled one, if specially asked, you remember due to the presence of the hill stations. Okay, yes, good. Now here you also you can find that is once observed, already said that in many parts of country, especially in the northwest plain and central India. Yes, okay, so here you can find this is the northwest Rajasthan. Look at here 43 degrees Celsius. And central India or the Madhya Pradesh, once observe central India, it is also reaching the 43 degrees Celsius. In our Telangana region also 42 41 degrees Celsius, and Gujarat. So these all high temperature areas are observing. So especially in the northwest region and central India, northwest and central India, much hotter observing during summer season. Okay, children, let's look. The northern plain experiences dry and hot local winds called Lu. This already we have studied in the ninth class also. One hot local winds called Lu is experienced highly in the northern India. This is a picture of the Lu. So this is, don't think it is rainfall. It is mainly hot local winds with the dust with comes hot local winds we called as a Lu. Okay, so this is mostly experiencing in our the northern India. So here is the end of the summer season. So very easy. Summer season in India starts from March to May, and May is the hottest month in India. Temperature increases as we move from south to north of India. In the April month, 37 degrees Celsius, but mid-May 41 or 42 degrees Celsius also rising, especially in the northwest plains and central India. And we are experiencing mainly northern plain of India experience hot local winds called Lu. Okay, children, I hope you understood better about the winter season as well as summer season. Okay, so next we are moving to the other topic, that is pre-bursting monsoon or pre-monsoon or bursting monsoon. Towards the end of the summer season, as we know that in the month of May, the summer is slowly get decrease. So now with the temperature gets decrease in the month end of the May, and June slowly the rainfall is begin. Okay, so towards the end of the summer season, the sudden changes in the weather condition of India, experiencing moderate rainfall with the heavy lightning and thunderstorm. And this is known as a pre-monsoon shower or a bursting monsoon. Remember, so towards the end of the summer season, sudden changes in the weather condition. Weather condition gets sudden changes, experience moderate rainfall. So summer season is very hot, and suddenly get changes into rainfall slowly started to be get, and with the lightning and the thunderstorm. And this is known as pre-monsoon shower or bursting monsoon. Here is some pictures we can find the bursting monsoon or pre-monsoon shower. So let us start the next topic, that is the mango shower. It is also related to the bursting monsoon. So that's the reason we have to be understand the mango showers. Okay. So towards the end of summer season, so look at the points that comes related to same. So towards the end of the summer season, pre-monsoon are common in the Deccan Plateau. So this is the definition related to the pre-monsoon or bursting monsoon, and connected with this mango showers begin. So towards the end of summer season, pre-monsoon are common in the Deccan Plateau, and these help in the early ripening of mangoes, okay, and other plantation crops in peninsular plateau. Hence they are locally known as mango showers in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, especially in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. And here, so we know as the raw mango, green color, it started to be ripening during the time of the pre-monsoon. Okay, this also we are enjoy a lot in the summer, end of the summer season. We get this ripened fruits. So we are enjoying mangoes as already the king of fruits. I think everyone's favorite fruit, mango. Enjoy its taste and like to eat much. Okay, so this is a mango shower. So both are interrelated. This is I given the definition for the bursting monsoon, and this is a mango shower. Okay, so both are beginning point is same. Towards the end of summer season, here sudden changes in the weather condition of India experience moderate rainfall with heavy lightning thunderstorm. This is known as pre-monsoon. And here towards the end of summer season, pre-monsoon are common in the Deccan Plateau. These help in the early ripening of mangoes and other plantation crops in peninsular India. Hence they are locally known as mango showers in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, children. So here is today we have studied 4 topics, 4 concepts, mainly summer season, winter season, and pre-monsoon or bursting monsoon, and mango showers. Okay, children. I hope you understood well. If you have any doubt, ask me, and you can note down this point. Otherwise, you can take a screenshot while you listen the video. Okay, so and also if you need this taught one in a PDF file or in a slideshow file, you can ask me personally. I will send you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Take care.